Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I want to show you that how to fix the connection to game server failed in the Brawlhalla. So our first method is that you have to just check your internet connection and try to change the network connection from the mobile data to the Wi-Fi. Similarly, if you are using the Wi-Fi, then you have to just turn it off and then convert it to the mobile data. Doing so, hopefully your problem will be fixed. If not, then you have to just turn on the airplane mode for 3 to 4 seconds and again turn it off. Doing so, your problem will be fixed. Moving to the next method, you have to just open your Play Store or App Store and search here for your Brawlhalla. Check that if any update is available, then you have to just click on the update and try to update your Brawlhalla. Doing so, your problem will be fixed. If not, then you have to just tap and hold on your app and then click on the app info. You have to just click on the storage and the cache and try to clear the cache and storage as well. Restart your game. After restarting, your problem will be fixed. So our next method is that you have to just click on the Chrome browser or any browser and search here for a website which is named as a down detector and check here if the server of the game is down, then you have to just wait for 24 to 48 hours and your problem will be fixed by itself. Moving to the last and the final solution, we have to just uninstall our app and again install it. After reinstallation, our problem will be fixed. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information about this error, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel Let Me Guide. Thanks for watching.